Punch up.
Long time no see, right?
Alright, are you guys ready to get to know them a little bit? Not that you don't know them, but are you guys ready to get to know them some more and bond with them? Alright, Yorobun, gentlemen, please have a seat. Behind. Palakpakan naman natin sila. Kahit yung pagkupo nila, ang guwapo.
I think Subin actually picked BTN.
Is it? Let's go check on our monitors. Director, please.
Let's see.
Mohawk kita, TXT! Are you guys ready?
Ready?
Mohawk. Let me get out of the way so they can feel your love. Ready? In 3, 2, 1.
Marquita!
I love that. Do you guys feel the love?
I love it.
Let's try here in the center.
Okay, the center.
Let's see if Mohawk kita can be felt here in the middle. All right, center audience, are you guys ready? In 3, 2, 1, Mohawk kita TNC. Ready? Ready?
Yep.
In 3, 2, 1.
Marquita!
Yes.
Let's go, dude.
TXT never back down.
I think we have to try it. Yeah, we have to try it.
Guys, palakpakan natin sila. We are going to start this challenge. Give me your cue, Leader Room, when you want me to start.
Yeah. I think
Ready?
we're ready. Yeah. Are you guys ready?
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, no peeking. No peeking. In 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go. Kimchi.
Oh, that's easy.
We have kimchi. Very, very easy.
Yeah. You got it.
And you can go on next. We have.
Oh, what's that?
What is this? Unripe papaya. Baby papaya. All right, next. Move on to the next table.
Oh, okay.
Oh, jalapenos. Hot. Fighting.
Let's go.
Let's go.